welcome to the most exclusive, incredible listing of Encino. This is 3950 Royal Oak Place, and it's truly a dream. One of the most remarkable, incredible houses on the market today. This is 8 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, 13,000 square foot house on an over 36,000 lot. I mean, what more can you ask for, except for maybe a rooftop deck, which is also included in this house, and I can't wait to show it off to you. Mwah, follow me.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the beautiful 3950 Royal Oaks in Encino.
I hope everyone has the best weekend ever, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!